everyone, happy Thursday. I haven't seen you in a while. I've been in a depressive episode and I can't be bothered to film anything. However, I did go and see The Little Mermaid yesterday with the girls, and it's literally been my entire personality for all of today. I am sat on the kitchen floor, by the way. So today we're going to be doing makeup from the film. I'm going to be doing Vanessa, the villain, her makeup, and I'm just obsessed with the film. I've literally been watching TikToks all day. I've been looking at pictures from behind the scenes. I'm in love.
Hey, what up, girl?
I've just started with, as usual, my skin food, always. And because we're going for sort of like a siren, sea, mermaidy sort of vibe, I want to have like really glowy skin. So what I've actually been doing in my everyday makeup recently, oh my gosh, goodness. In my everyday makeup recently is I've been putting my Glowgasm Beauty Light One by Charlotte Tilbury on under my foundation. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today. I like to start putting it on my hand just so I can sort of know how much to put on. I do quite a lot, and I just sort of, actually, no, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my foundation in with that. So Vanessa's quite fair, so I'm not going to go in with my normal L'Oreal Infallible foundation because it's quite dark. I'm just going to go in with my Barry M Fresh Face Perfecting Concealer. You've seen this before, and I'm going to do that. I might do like a little splodge of my foundation. We'll see. Right, I am going to do a splodge. I knew I would. Bloop. Okay. So I've got that all on my hand now. I'm just going to rub it in. Mix it all up on my hand, and then just splodge that all over your face. Really getting it good. Perfecto. And down on the neck, I've said this before, no one wants the unblended neck. And then normally I would go in for a brush, but again, because I want to sort of keep this as light and watery and mermaidy as possible, I'm just going to go in with my sponge and blend. Okay, so that's my sort of base done. I am just going to go in and sort of lighten just a few bits up where I normally would, just because, again, we're going for the light sort of, even though she's the villain. Am I the villain? I don't think I am. I don't think I'm the villain. Her makeup's quite fair and it's quite matte as well, and sort of like one tone, so I'm just gonna add in a bit more highlight. Blendy. Now we've got our base. I've got, ew, don't get my eyelashes. Get ready. Is everything blended? Yes, cool. Right, next thing I'm gonna do, she has quite thin eyebrows, as far as I know. Yeah. They're quite thin and there's not a whole lot done to them, so I'm just gonna do what I normally do. My Got To Be brow gel and slick them up, girl. But not like mega bushy brows, just a little maintenance. Okay, at this point, as you all probably know, I'm dying to get into a bit of blush, a bit of bronzer, a bit of contour. As I say, she had a very sort of like clear face. So where we're gonna start having some fun is in the eyes, and that reminds me I didn't bring my sort of pinky purpley eyeshadow. Bear with, I need to go get it. I've got this Bare Minerals, like, it's like an eyeshadow, but it's like a really loose pigment. It's called Water Lily, so it's perfect. And it's like this, oh my god, it's gorgeous. I don't know if you can really see it. pulled it everywhere. Cool. Fantastic. Okay, so I'm going for like really shimmery. I am gonna lay a very like rough base down. So I'm gonna use this really old Revolution palette, and I'm gonna have this color there, sort of like my skin color, and just lay a base. And then I'm gonna use this Still Revolution, it's like blush and highlight palette, and I'm gonna use like the pinky, these two pinky purpley tones, just in the inner. Oh my gosh, what is going on? I'm sweating, I'm so like overwhelmed. In the inner corner. So like half of my lid, just coming out. I'm coming out. I want the world to know. Hello guys, update. My camera died, so I just did this eye off camera. So let's do this eye together. So I think where we left off before my camera died. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I'm literally just all over the shop. So yeah, where we left off was I was putting my like base color down, and then what I did, which again I can't remember if you saw, I went in with my, yeah you did, my pinky purpley like highlight shade, and just did it in the inner corner, sort of like half onto the lid, just so we've got that sort of like shimmery nice purpley base. Then the next thing I did is I took this like shimmery brown shade in this palette here, and I also took my Skin Food and my little, sounds like someone's on my balcony, my little detailer brush, just really lightly dipped in to there. I do need to sort of like have my mirror down in between my knees. Line your flat surface up with the outer corner of your eye, and just really lightly, we don't want it to be like a wing, it's just like almost an extension of your eye shape. Just fluff it out. So then we've got a cute little wing. Then what I did is I took that same colour and sort of just dragged it all along my lash line. Just she is the villain, so we need to give her that sort of like sultry, sort of fox eye, dark look. Cool. And then when you're happy with what your wing looks like, you take your pretty shimmery shade that I threw all over the floor, just like a dense like packing brush. I just put a tiny bit into the lid because it is like loose, so you don't want it going absolutely everywhere. And then literally just in the middle of your eye, just dab it, and just, because that's like the highest point of your eye curvature, so that's where we want the highlight to sit. And then you can sort of like drag it up almost under to your eyebrows. On the other side I did put like a little bit as highlighter, because she is still like a mythical creature, she's in disguise, so I thought that the whole sort of like purpley highlight thing would be cute. And also she's wearing purple anyway, so it sort of works. And then I just blended in with my sponge. I put a tiny bit on my nose as well. And then we need to go in with a bit of mascara. So she's got long lashes. So I just curled them a little bit. I don't need to curl them like tons, because I did recently have a lash lift unturned. Just a little curl. A curl for the girls. And then again, because I wanted to sort of keep it with that fox eye villain sort of look, I kind of only kept the mascara to the outer lashes. You can put like a tiny bit in the middle. You can do whatever you want. I don't know why I'm saying you can do X, Y, and Z. Absolutely do whatever you want. But I just thought it would look cool if it was sort of just on the outer lashes. Now we've got both of our eyes done. We're looking villainous, we're looking shimmery and purple. Last bit is the lips. And what I'm actually gonna do for my lips is I'm gonna use blush. So this is the NYX Sweet Cheeks in the shade Coralicious. Pardon me. I've had this for ages. You don't need a lot of this stuff. It's super duper pigmented. But in the film, she's got really like peachy corally, coral like the sea, corally lips. So I'm gonna put just a of that in like the center of my lips. Oh, it's very corally. Hello guys, I'm out on the balcony and it's really sunny. But I just did my hair with a little curl. I tried to do she has like the big sweep over, but I couldn't do it. And then I've got let me show you my outfit. I did the full 9 yards. I dressed up as her as well. This isn't what she wears, it's just similar. I've got my little tentacly top. I thought that was a cute outfit. But yeah, I did my lip as well, which you kind of saw. I'm gonna sit down. So yeah, that was my Vanessa makeup from The Little Mermaid. I'm so obsessed with the film, wanna go watch it again. Anyone that's watching, girls, if you wanna watch it, come watch it with me again. It's so bright, as you can't see. But thank you for watching. I love doing these makeup videos. If you like them, please like and comment and subscribe, obviously. And hopefully I'll get back to being more consistent. But thank you guys.